the Nifty at the 19,800 levels or thereabouts, around 100 points to the positive now, above that 19,750 mark. So definitely edging towards 19,800. In terms of what's aiding it, in fact, let me first take it to the broader markets. The broader markets fared better. In fact, we saw the Nifty mid cap as well as the Nifty small cap notch better gains than the Nifty in trade today. Also, in terms of what was aiding the Nifty, the financials were largely in focus. You can see the Nifty Bank was up around 1/3%, largely aided by you would see the likes of an IDFC first up nearly 4%. You saw Bandhan Bank up 3%, IndusInd Bank up 1% as well. But within that banking pack, there were also laggards today. We saw Kotak Bank after that news on the leadership, where the RBI suggested, or rather the news which was put out by agencies saying that there was a communication by the RBI pulling up Kotak Bank with regard to succession. What Kotak Bank has obviously come out and clarified is that there is no such communication, but despite that, the stock was down 1% in trade. In fact, it was down much more than 1%, saw a bit of a recovery towards the fag end on the back of that, Srishti.
Well, yes, absolutely. But other than that, autos were definitely in focus on the back of the July sales data expectation. The numbers expected tomorrow, but this time around, we are not expecting a good jump across the segments. The monsoon factor will play across the board. Other than that, from the brokerage note impact, Apollo Hospital was the stock that was seen declining after Macquarie initiated the rating with an underperformed rating for a target price of just 4,200 rupees, way lower than the current market price. But on the flip side, GAIL was seen to be surging after UPS had come up with the double upgrade to a buy rating for a target of 150 rupees. But the company also reported its earnings, not a great set this time. But UPL was also the counter on the back of results, was in focus as the company cuts its FY24 EBITDA as well as revenue guidance. But after a lot of decline in the stock like UPL, which is a Nifty 50 company, we have seen the stock just holding up to those levels. But that's how the market shaped up. A good day for the bulls indeed. We are being joined by Arpit Beriwal, who is the manager and derivatives analyst at Motilal Oswal. Hi, very good afternoon, Arpit, and thank you for your time to ET now. So 90,700, that's the level that we could hold on to. But going ahead for tomorrow, which are the levels that you should be watching for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty?
So first, talking about Nifty, so if you have seen, we have seen a good closing basis Nifty. We on morning note, we open on a flattish note. But if you look at the purely chart perspective, Nifty is trading in a broader range between 19,550 to 19,950 zones in past 10 sessions. On weekly setup, it is holding higher lows, which suggests that buy and dips is likely to continue. As well as on daily scale, it is holding well above its 20 DEMA, which is acting as a major support from past 3 months. So looking at the overall chart setup, till Nifty holds about 19,600 zones, we have a positive momentum towards 19,850, then 19,991. Whereas on the downside, major support exists at 19,555.